Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. I just got my hands on some new Makeup Revolution products and I thought it'd be really fun if we could do a testing out new makeup video today and test out these new balms. These are called the Balm Glow and they're said to give you the ultimate glazed donut look. So they're different shades though, so it's not, they don't, from what I've seen, they don't have a clear one, but apparently these ones are tinted and the tint in itself is going to have that glazed look to it. So you can wear them on your cheeks and on your lips. So I'm going to try a few out today that I picked up. So I do have my foundation and concealer on already. I didn't set my contours. I just set under my eyes with some translucent setting powder. So hopefully this balm will be able to glide really nice and evenly and smoothly on my skin. So now Makeup Revolution says to just dip in and just take some out. And okay, it does feel really nice. It feels like a giant kind of lip balm. So they said just warm some up, and then they even said put some on the back of your hand. I don't, it looks warmed up to me. Okay. They did say you can use a brush or a sponge, but oh wow. Okay, so maybe you only need a little bit. Okay, so this may be too much, you know, but you can use this on your lips. Let me go ahead and use this for the lips. Oh, it does feel really good on the lips. The cheeks, I don't know, guys. Okay, obviously I took too much out. So apparently a little goes a long way. I don't think my finger is gonna be able to, so I'm just gonna take my brush and just press this into my skin. I love to use a stippling brush for any kind of cream blush products. Oh, that is really beautiful. So can you guys see how this is looking? What do you guys think? It's a beautiful flush. So what do you guys think? I feel like it would have been have more movement to it, have more almost like a, you know, a wetness to it that I don't really see. This is very pretty with a gloss on top when you add your own additional gloss. Then it does give the glazed look. But on its own, I didn't feel like without the gloss I was getting the glazed look. You know, I had to add that gloss. So what do you guys think? I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And you know what? I'm just going to put the next one on with nothing on my skin because maybe we'll see how it moves, you know, on bare skin. And I'm just going to put on another shade. I'm going to take off the foundation. I'm just going to wear a tinted moisturizer underneath. So, well, maybe it'll move easier with less product underneath. Well, let's see. Let's try that and find out. So I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back and now I'm going to try this shade here. This one is called Peach Bliss. So this time I'm going to be much more careful and I'm just going to take a little bit because I thought I took a little bit last time, but apparently I thought that was too much. Okay, hopefully we won't have the same experience last time. So here is Peach Bliss. And I'll just put like a little bit. Yeah. You only need the tiniest bit. Wow, okay. And then here is the lip. It does seem to have a bit of sparkle in it or a bit of shimmer. This color is actually not as peach on my skin tone. It's looking a little pinker, at least the lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush and just press this in. Yeah, I feel like this is not moving so good on my skin. It's kind of tugging. Surprisingly, this shade is so gorgeous. I wouldn't have thought that. I'm just going to dip in with my brush. Let's see how that goes. But I wouldn't have thought this would have been my favorite shade of the two so far. But actually, this is my favorite. This is gorgeous. This is shocking. Yeah, I like that. I like to dip my brush in. This is a perfect way to apply it to me. Okay. So absolutely, I think that's the way to go. It is stunning. Now this is the She Glam brush. It's a paw print brush. Yeah, so definitely I feel using your brush and dipping in is the way to go. This is stunning. It's just gorgeous. It does have the shimmer in it. It's very subtle. You can't see it in the pan, but when you apply it, you'll see this very subtle shimmer, and that's going to give you that glazed donut look. It's going to give it some movement, and it's going to give it that shine. Wow, this is really beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and we'll try one more shade. So I'm just going to dip in it, but this is super gorgeous. This looks very natural. These look like you were at the beach, and you just got the most gorgeous sun-kissed glow. Seriously, I can't believe it. Oh, let me put a little on my lips now. This one seems to give more of that glazed donut look. So Maybe because it's on the lighter side, it's, you know, emphasizing kind of the shimmer and the glazed look more. I mean, if you could, you know, they do go for $8 each. If you wanted to, you know, maybe even mix the shades, maybe add, because this one is more of a punch of color than this one here, the rose pink. The rose pink though, wow. You could definitely take this on vacation to the beach and pop some on. You are gonna just look so stunning. So now I have here the shade Sunkissed Nude, which, you know, you can't tell from the pans. So you can't tell just by looking at it, because it does look very, I hope you guys can see here, it does look very deep. But let's go ahead and try it. I have another stippling type of brush here. This is Made by Mitchell brush. And I'm just going to dab in and then just apply this on. Oh, that's so beautiful too. So this is definitely like a bronze look. And you know, I do think you have to wait a moment to get the full effect, because they kind of melt into your skin and start transforming. Because when I first put this on, you know, it just was, you know, it looked good, but now it's coming to life. The colors are like bursting. I hope you guys can see that. And on the nose, it's so cute too. It just gives you that look like you've been in the sun and, you know, you're flushed and gorgeous. Wow. This is very natural. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's not too much. You know, sometimes it's hard for me to wear bronze type shades because they wind up looking ruddy on my complexion, but this does not. It looks so effortless. Okay, let me go ahead, and I have two more now to try. So now I have here the Natural Nude shade. They look similar. This looks similar to Sunkissed Nude, but it's, you know, it's a different shade. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to dab right in. I cleaned off my brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, warm it up. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, these definitely transform when they are sitting on your skin, because when I first put this on, I didn't see anything. And I was kind of like, where is it? I don't see it. I don't see it. But now it's coming through. I feel like this might be a little brightening. This is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. I could see myself wearing these every day. Seriously, I will be wearing these every day. It's because it's very just no makeup, but also gorgeous skin. You know, healthy, gorgeous skin. Maybe you were just exercising and you just naturally are just have this gorgeous flush. There's no other way to describe these. They're just stunning. So I do have one more shade. Now the shade that I have left is called Deep Plum. So it does look very, you know, plum-esque purple in the pan. So let me go ahead and try it. But you know, maybe it'll look good on me. It's, oh, this is beautiful. You see, you never know what to expect, because this is actually stunning. It's looking like a rosy flush on my skin. I'm literally in shock. I haven't tried one of these except for the first one, which I want to give it another shot with the brush because I just love this brush. So beauties, I just want to revisit this one again. This one is it Flushed Pink. I just want to try this again with the brush because I just, you know, let's give it a fair shot because I took out too much. Maybe that's what it was. Let's give it another shot and see if the brush will make a difference. So here we go. Yeah, so it is definitely right away much more intense than the other shades, which, yeah, this one, if anything, you're going to need the tiniest a bit. You're just going to need a little bit probably. But it depends on your complexion, because maybe if you have a deeper complexion, you can, you know, definitely go for more of this shade. So let me know which one is your beauty's favorite. Have you tried these yet? They are available exclusively at Ulta, so definitely head to Ulta, or I'll have them linked down below if you would like to try them or pick one up for yourself. Again, they are $8 each, so very affordably priced, cruelty-free, and just another amazing product from Makeup Revolution. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, love you.